I need to fix the old intro back. You know. How's everybody doing? Good day. Good morning. 9 a.m. Central European Time, Bitcoin Daily Show. Every single day we do this show because we gotta know what's happening in Bitcoin. Today it's we are on the dollar every single day on 9 a.m. on the dollar. But I was a little bit confused. If the the hours are summertime or winter time. Sometimes we miss the dollar. Sometimes we miss the dollar. How's everybody doing? I seen a lot of green names in the chat. Coinskid is also here. Bear market. Funny guy. Enrique is here. Salam, DJ AV, Kelly, Bachelor, DK. Hi man, how you doing? Bachelor Sensei, Patch Guitar, Salim, Martin H, and who more? DJ Avistown. Yeah, those are the guys. New intro. What's up there? It's old intro. I was trying, I'm trying to make it work, and then, I forgot to change back. So now we're stuck with the old intro. Hey man, hope you're feeling better. I'm actually not feeling better, unfortunately. So maybe a couple of more days. I'm gonna feel good. Old intro in the new bottle. Yeah. I mean, if you got the old intro and somebody new is watching in the intro, is that the new intro or intro? Like, it's all relative. For you, it's old intro, but for the new guy watching, it's the new intro, right? So, I'm not looking at me, old intro for me. I'm looking at the new guys, it's new intro for them. Morning, Edward, how you doing? So everybody wants to know what's happening in Bitcoin right now. Even I want to know what's happening in Bitcoin right now. But Bitcoin is kind of going sideways up here, waiting for these moving averages to hit. See here we had a small drop down here, and right now continue. But on the 1 hour, it still looks like just going kind of sideways, and these things can actually go quite long. This can actually go very, very long. Believe it or not, these things can go very long. They can hit both 100 moving average, 200 moving average, but you can also jump right up here at 50 moving average. So this thing can actually continue for a while. Once they hit some kind of resistance up here, and we have the resistance, and one day once that starts getting hit, they kind of go sideways. Let's see on daily time frame. Yesterday we had a small pullback that back here at the resistance. The resistance up here. We had actually two resistance up here. So we had a small pullback, but it's nothing major. It's just waiting. Even on the daily, you can see down here we have a lot of moving averages below us that are trying to get back to us, and push the price up. Now the 4 hourly should be able to continue towards the upside, even though the daily is not quite yet there, but we're gonna see if we continue going towards the upside up here. But right now, you gotta break the resistance to the upside, do something like this up here, maybe even on the 1 hourly. I mean, that would be nice even on the 1 hourly if you can, get above these lines of resistance up here, above here, and then get some kind of test on the resistances as a support, and then bounce off that. That would be like best case scenario. So whenever that happens, watch for that. But until we are above this line up here, not much is happening, guys. Not much is happening. Do I see the downside? Well, the downside can come in for in some kind of pullback back to the 20 moving average here on the 4 hourly. I don't think we're gonna go all the way down to the 50 moving average down at 44,000. That's not gonna happen. But down here at the 200 moving average, 20 moving average, that might happen. Something down here that we go down and then back up. That might happen. So I'm looking here at 46,003 or something like that. These levels up here to be important levels, if there comes any kind of retest, that might go all the way down there to 46,000. On the daily, that's up at 46,006. So yeah, in the ballpark area there. I don't think. I mean, what you think and what you don't think doesn't really matter, right? These are assumptions. But these moving average down here, 220, 10 moving average, these 3 moving averages down here, I don't think we're gonna go down there and hit them, even though there is a big support down here. That would be actually, I don't know. Let's just say that there are some supports down here as well, down here. So of course we don't want to fall below both of these supports. We don't want to fall below 46 and 45 down here. because that's not good. That's definitely not good. We don't want to come and retest to 40,000 levels. But right now, this thing up here is just going kind of sideways up here, and I think it's gonna wait for this 20 moving average as well, and then hit that. Maybe on 20 moving average it bounced towards the upside. So 20 moving average, we call 1 moving average. Yeah, it might take a while. It might take a while for this to actually bounce towards the upside. But these moves, when you have a big impulsive move and then you go just kind of sideways up here, this is actually a bullish move. This is actually a bullish move because we are hugging the resistance. This is the resistance up here, and you are hugging it towards the upside. And as long as you are hugging the resistance, that's actually a good thing. That's a good thing. It's just like hugging the support down here. 1, 2, 3, hugging the support, and eventually you're breaking the support. Here you're hugging the resistance and eventually breaking the resistance. But you remember the rule, guys. Remember the rule. Hitting the resistance several times does make it weak resistance and it's about to be broken. But if you hit like 6 times, it's godly resistance. So this is 1, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you do one more time, it's 6 times, and then it's godly resistance, and then we're gonna have a little bit pullback back down here, and then try again. Okay. So don't hit 6 times at least, because the more times you hit some kind of resistance, try to break it, the weaker it gets. So hugging the resistance is a good thing, but eventually if you after 6 times. If you after 6 times cannot break it, maybe the resistance is too strong, and then you have to have some kind of pullback. That might just be the case. The weekly is gonna close tonight. The weekly is gonna close tonight. Is there any kind of let's see? Let's clear up here and clear up the moving averages. So what this over here is gonna be very bullish close. This is a bullish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame. It gets above the resistance up here. It's very nice candle. It's very bullish. So as long as we close today above 47,253, I mean this can always drop. You are getting the bullish engulfing candle up here, and that's a bullish move as well. Also, we're getting back above the resistance. Oh wait, you're getting back above the resistance up here, right? And that's that. That's like above the resistance, above this one, bullish engulfing candle. There is definitely some bullishness kicking in if this weekly candle closes above 47,238 on Coinbase. On Binance and other charts are actually a little bit different, but you can see here. Let's go a little bit back, get our lines back. So these are our lines, right? These are the lines that we drew. The resistance up here, if you look at a 1 hourly time frame, the resistance up here, the support. But if you go to the weekly time frame and you add this this line up here, 47,000 line, and then you go to the 1 hour and look at it, you'll see that we are actually maybe we are not, maybe it's not resistance that we are testing, maybe it's the support that we are holding, right? We are holding the support, right? So we went then back down to support, so we are holding support right now. So we bounced up and we are holding the support between the support up here. So this needs to go all the way up. How far does this need to go to? Over here, and you can see it's not that much. Now if you do that, if you go sideways in this channel, all the way up here, that's gonna be daily close. And what's gonna happen on the daily close up here, that's also gonna be weekly close. And on the weekly close, we're gonna be above this line up here. And as you can see on the weekly close, that's this line up here. That's a bullish line because you're breaking this to the upside, bullish engulfing candle. So if you close above this level up here at this point over here, up here, if you close up here, that's a bullish engulfing. Oh man, we gotta end this soon, man. I need to rest. More workouts, more vitamins, and less being sick TLA. Yeah, but I like chocolate. make a quick update and take some rest. Weekly bullishing off. Yeah, it's weekly bullishing off, but it's not gonna take long. It's not like, you know, you'll have to wait eternity, you know, for this to happen, because you can see here we have already gone through this much sideways movement. Like, this much sideways movement is definitely doable, and it can happen like really easily. As long as we are above this level, it is bullish. It is bullish, but yeah, it's hard to say what's gonna happen. I won't take long until we are above the resistance and stuff like that, right? But you know, this can also get pullback at down to 46,000. That's definitely possible. That's definitely possible, some kind of pullback. We might also go sideways up here about, you know, until tomorrow, then get hit by this 20 moving average and then bounce towards the upside, or even, you know, have pullback. Now we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But right now, I don't think if this 50 moving average doesn't pushes us towards the upside, I don't think we're gonna bounce today. I don't think we're gonna bounce today. It can happen, but I don't think, you know. We're gonna see. I don't see any kind of. Is there any kind of pattern up here? Oh man, I'm getting that there's some kind of triangle up here. Best day ever. Okay, we got a triangle, guys. Keep watching the triangle. Whichever side breaks out, this important date. I'm done, guys. I'm done. I'm gonna go rest. I'm gonna, you know, drink tea, eat fruit, watch TV, do anything else, you know. But you know, I cannot do this anymore. Anyways, that's it, guys. That's it for today. Come back tomorrow 9 a.m. Central European time, and we'll see if this gets any better. Rest, bro. Okay, guys. Cheers. Watch the triangle. I think triangle is important right now. Triangle is important. Watch the triangle. See ya.